for the past mhlambe 10 years I've been helping grade 12 ukuthi ba-apply through to ama-universities, particularly awase KZN. And kuleso sikhathi leso mhlambe there are things ebengicabanga ukuthi ebesikade sizenza kakhulu. There are things engicabanga ukuthi we didn't do as well. Me and my friends abajwayele ukuthi si-applyise abantwana ngazo. And one of those things is ukuthi okay usu-applyile ke manje ulinda ama-results akho ukuthi aphume. What happens ngempela between ngesikhathi unyaka uqala mhlambe let's say uJanuary until uFebruary, because usually into ekumele siyazi futhi as abafundi nabazali kwabafundi abafunda emanyuvesi in particular ukuthi usually enyuvesi iqalwa ngoFebruary ukufunda. Mhlambe uFebruary usaqala aqalwa ngoJanuary njengasema high school uyabo. But into engicabanga ukuthi information elekhaya ukuthi kwenzakalani kulawa ama processes between uJanuary and uFebruary weba umfundi sekumele manje ayoqala ukufunda. Igama lami nguNtusuko, ngiwakhanyile Sibongo, ngafunda eUKZN for a long time from undergraduate to masters, and manje ngifunda ngenza iPhD eLondon Metropolitan University. I've been doing this lento yoku-apply abafundi for isikhathi eside, but due to me ukuthi angisekho manje eduzane ingakho sengizama ukuthi ngisebenzise izinto ezikanje ukuthi ngenze into efanayo. So u-applyile which you did well, u-applyile eNFSAS, u-applyile university, wenze kahle mfethu. So silindeni manje ama-results. Aphuma nini ama-results na? Aphuma ama-results ngomhla ka-14 January 2025. Sonke siyakwazi lokho. Mhla 14 January 2025, that is the first important date. Sichaza ukuthi lapho kuphuma ama-results. Kwenzakalani ukuphuma ama-results? Ama-results makuphuma wena as umfundi or umzali ayikho into ongayenza ngokomthetho, because vele ama-results ama-university athatha direct from u-department, so you don't do anything. But into oyenzayo obviously uyahamba uyokwenzani na, uyothatha isitifiketi sakho or i-statement sakho esikoleni. Why kumele uthathe i-statement? Because kumele ubale ukuthi how many ama-point watholile mangakanani, because kubalekile lokho. Because usually what happens is ngesase bayafaka ama-results ephepheni abafaka ukuthi how many points, uyabona into leyo. So ukubala ama-point kusiza phi? Nakusiza ekutheni ungalindi into ibhasi ngeke ifike, uyabo. Mawukuthi for example uthole mhlawumbe wonke amakhozi o-applyile wena 28, wena uthole 20 points, chaza ukuthi ulinde into ecishe esingasho ukuthi into ecishe ingabe bikho leyo. So but uyalanda yini ama-results, number 1. Number 2, kubalekile ngalolu suku ukuthi manje so mhla 14 you check your phone, checkani SMS, because number 1 into eyenzakalayo ukuthi bayifaka ama-offers. So manje sibezokunikeza a-firm offer. Firm offer chaza ukuthi hayi no, nasi isikhala siyakunika Ntuthuko uma ukuthi uyafuna, yabo. So lokho bakwenza kawu-2, mhlawumbe benze firm offer, kenzele SMS noma bekwenzele i-email. So makuthi wena uyi-check lezi zinto zo-2, kungenzeka ukuthi uthole i-offer, excuse me, and then uthole ukuthi awusakwazanga uyi-accepta leyo offer. Into ejwayele ukwenzeka la ama-university suke very busy kakhulu, but bakunika mhlawumbe 5 days, but no, we give you i-offer but you have 5 days ukuthi uyamukele. Uma ungayamukele leyo offer leyo, then bayinikeza omunye umuntu. So uma uthi wena mhlawumbe uya emakhaya u5 days wakho coincide nokuthi awunayo network emakhaya, for example, i-offer yakho kungenzeka ukuthi ihambile yanikwa omunye umuntu. So kubalekile ukuthi wena you check your phone, ama-email akho, and then from there uyazi ukuthi as soon as babekunike offer uyakwazi ukuthi uyamukele. Obviously uyabala nama-points akho, so that uzobona ukuthi kephi la ungalindela khona ama-offer. Futhi uyaphinda futhi ucheck u-CEO, you keep checking kwa-CEO online to see ukuthi ama-status ama-course owa-applyelile ayashintshani, ngoba naka-CEO bayawashintsha. But usually manje u-CEO usungasadili naye kakhulu because i-university vele isendele wena i-email, uyabona nto le. But ungayi-check zonke lezi zinto just ukuthi ube nesure ngoba you never know ukuthi ikuphi ongashintsha kuqala. Then number 1 lo. So wenza lokho, you're on the right track. Number 2, ake sisike manje ngenhlanhla yakho uyayithola njengami nje nami ngayithola kwathiwa hayi tuthu nasi isikhala, we are giving you this firm offer. So wenzani lapho? So i-firm offer ungayithola anytime after mhla 14. As soon as bayathola ama results bona bayaqala bayanikeza. So anytime. Usually into ejwayele ukwenzeka lapho ukuthi mhlawumbe bayikushaya umhla 24 mfethu. 24 January. Asekushaya umhla 24 January. Usually abantu abaningi bazobe sebaya acceptile ama offer abo. So nawe I think into ebalekile ukuthi you have to try ukuthi mhla 24 January mhlawumbe about 10 days unless it's a late offer usukwenze makuthi uyitholile mfethu usuyenze konke wa-accept. U-accept kuchaza ukuthina kuchaza ukuthi there are forms ekumele uwagcwalise, there are forms ekumele asayine umzali wakho, and then mhlawumbe bathi hayi no, can you put down mhlawumbe some deposits anyana. Why befuna ukubeka i-deposits is because bafuna ukubona ukuthi ngampela uyimisele ngalesikhala. Abange bayazi ukuthi mase kususufaka i-deposits ngampela chaza usuyikhomithile, kanti makuthi awukazi wafaka deposits then chaza ukuthi usangayamuva, uyibona lonto leyo. So iyona into ekumele uqaphelele, kodwa leyo nto leyo process akumele ithathe isikhathi eside. Kumele ngesasifika nje offer yakho ubugcwalisa yonke lama forms, wenza zonke lezi zinto abayishoyo and then uyisende. Usuyazi lapho ukuthi okay isikhala at least sengisibambile, right? And then kusukela mhla 24 mfethu then mhlambe usus acceptile isikhala sakho, okay uyazi unase space, then sekwenzeka lento ekuthiwa i-registration manje. I-registration kusho mhlambe mhla 24 kuyale usuzama ukwenzani i-registration. Ma-registration njengamanje alula kakhulu mfethu because yonke into isiyenzeka online. Registration same thing as the offer. There are forms ekumele wagcwalise, there are forms ekumele ugcwalise umzali wakho, but i-registration kuyenzeka uthola ukuthi ama forms mhlawumbe athe ukuthi xaxa noma athe ukuba adinga imininingwane emtheko omninganyana ngoba manje masusuregister ngabe chaza usuregister kuleyo cause leyo. Into ebalekile futhi lapho ke ukuthi one sekumele wazi ukuthi okay kumele udownload uye kwi-university yakho, uye kwi-course yakho sokuthi uzobuka your modules. Mhlawumbe ke sisingenza ini nje i-psychology for example, ngenze something eseceleni, so uzohamba uyobheka ukuthi okay kuleyo major yami e-psychology mhlawumbe kwi-first semester kuthiwa yimapha module kumele ngiyenze ku-first semester, so i-psych 101, psych 102 blah blah blah, zonke lezi zinto lezo. So uthatha lawo module lawo iwona ku-register la wona manje uyabo, but kusuke sekulula lapho ngoba usungenile kwi-system. It's just ukufunda lama booklets ke manje kuthiwa ama college handbooks, then usuyabona ukuthi okay imodule ukuthi nani konke lokho mhlawumbe 5 days mfethu usuqedile. Uqedile and what you are doing manje, if uqeda lapho usuqedile ukuregister, okay wa-register uzothola yini proof of registration. Nakhona futhi nalabo bengenzeka bese bafuna i-deposits, I'm not sure, depend ukuthi ufunda. Thola proof of registration manje usunephepha elishoyo ukuthi hayi nanga umfundi ukuthi ukhanyile uregistile nazi, these are the modules azenzayo la e-Unizul for example. So usuregistile. So into ebasibalekile ke manje lapho ukuthi okay usukumele ubheke indaba zona zokuhlala. So manje sikhuluma ngo-rest, sikhuluma ngo-private accommodation, izinto ezikanjalo. Uthe nje usuka lapho mhlawumbe ke sisimhla 24 to mhla 27 wa-register. Mhla 27 mhla 31 usubheka ama-rest, ubheka indawo ukuthi manje uzohlala kanjani. Yabo uma uzohlala ekhaya is fine, usubheka indaba zo-transport ukuthi iyiphi itekisi e-Howard College for example. Usubheka lokho nje ukwenza ngendlela obvious, awurashi kakhulu, but you making sure ukuthi zonke izinto zakho zi-right ngesikhathi esi-right, and then usuyaqeda lapho mhlawumbe ke usuyayibona indawo, uyayisosa indawo yokuhlala, abazali bajabulile ngayo because into ebalekile phela ukuthi abazali kumele bazi ukuthi uzobuhlala laphi nani yonke lonto leyo, bajabulile ngayo. Mhlawumbe ngomhla 3 usuqedile, mhla 3 to mhla 7 mfethu, then usuyamuva manje. Ukumuva nakhona uvela usuke uthi nje and then uyamuva. Into eyenzakalayo ngomhla 3 to mhla 7 wena nabazali bakho noma abantu abagada ekhaya seniyabheka ke manje ukuthi okay ngoba usumuva udinga ingubo yokulala, udinga amabhodo, whatever it may be le abazocabanga ukuthi abazali akhe abazokucebisa ngayo abazali, ngoba some of us mhlawumbe sisebancane ngabi nale experience ukuthi okay mawuhlala udinga izinto ezikanje ziyalunga so izinto zomhla ka3 umhla ka7. If ukuthi kuyenzeka ngomhla ka3 umhla ka7 kufuneka ngabe ngempela manje usuyamove physically uyayilungisa izinto and physically uyamove to le ndawo le ozohlala kuyona. Indaba nasi umhla ka3 umhla ka7 because njengamanje iUKZN iMUT Zululand DUT bonke sebenama amakhalenda kuthiwa lawo ama-academic calendars. Ama-academic calendars yini ikhalenda liyasho ukuthi okay i-university usebenza kanje, okay ila soba ne-break, ila soqala khona, ila sokwenza konke, so bayoplana wonke unyaka, yabo. And kulo nyaka lo bonke basemhla ka10 kumsombuluko umhla ka10 basemhla ka10 ama-lectures ayaqala. So kuchaza ukuthi ama-classes ayaqala ngomhla ka10. It's a Monday. So kufuneka ngoMonday uvuke ingakho ke ngomhla ka3 and 7 you have to have moved into le ndawo ozohlala kuyona, so lethi ngoMonday usuvuka kamnandi uyo attend. There is nothing nicer than mfethu ukuthi when ama-lectures eqala nawe you are just there, yabo, yonke into i-right, rather than uthola ukuthi mhlambe you miss the first lectures usuyaqhamuka late play catch up until semester is iyophela. Kanti if it's there you start afresh because you've worked hard, usebenze kanzima last year. Siyakhumbula ubuya late esikoleni for this moment, yabo lonto le. So you might as well uzama ukuthi we enjoy. So mhla ka10 mfethu you just make sure ukuthi no matter what with obvious abazali bakho nabasekhaya bekusiza, no matter what ngomhla ka10 when that first lecture starts you are there. I think my first lecture was T block Westville, and it was biology. It was bio 101. It was, I think even today still I think the most interesting lecture I've ever had, yabo, because lama lectures oqala iwona lawa angazi, but it's like akwenza ufile sengathi okay sengikhona, uyabona nto le. So nami isifiso sami ukuthi nawe ngomhla ka10 regardless ukuthi ukephi, especially kulaba se-KZN ngoba le video dedicated to KZN kuphela, because ama-universities enginama calendars wawo awase-KZN. Regardless ukuthi ukephi mfethu umhla ka10 ukhona, you are there and attending, and it's a beautiful experience. Kini bakhumbula but bayazi ukuthi usendaweni whereby you are trying to reach your potential now in whatever course oyenzayo mfethu. It's a step forward. So there are many things that mhlambe between mina ke ngifunda undergrad and now mina sengenza PhD in this 11 years engasho ukuthi okay